Hello guys! Welcome sa aking YouTube channel, and for today's video, may gusto naman ako i-share sa inyo about sa aking Union Bank Quick Loan. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching and don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga upcoming videos. But before that guys, if you want to know more about Union Bank, ay meron akong playlist nito guys. At i-watch nyo lang yan guys. At doon nyo malalaman yung iba kong nagawa na kay Union Bank. Okay guys, so ngayon, kung natatandaan nyo, meron akong in-upload kung paano ako nakakuha ng aking Union Bank app through phone and paano ako naka-avail ng Union Bank Quick Loan. So ngayon naman guys, ay 1 taon na nung nag-start ako mag-apply ng Quick Loan. And then, ngayong January yung aking pang 12-month na payment. Kaya lang guys, nagtataka kasi ako dahil dito kay Union Bank, meron akong dalawang account. Yun yung personal savings tsaka si Quick Loan. Ngayon si Quick Loan, kung napapansin nyo dito is lagi lang siya nakalagay na tap to reply. Kahit i-click ko yan ng paulit-ulit guys, yan lang yung lalabas, tap to reply. And then nag-message na sa akin si Union Bank Loans by Union Digital Bank. Kasi guys, meron pala ngayong bagong update si Union Bank. At ang tawag na sa kanya is Union Digital Bank. Okay, so paano ba tayo magkakaroon guys? At paano ba natin ma-update itong si ating Union Bank? Kasi guys, natatandaan ko, alam naman natin na auto-deduct kasi siya sa ating savings dito kay Union. Ngayon, meron akong nilagay dito last time at na-deduct talaga siya guys. Nakita ko dito sa conversation 2 weeks ago, last week dito kay Quick Loan. Pero nagtataka ko ngayong linggo hindi ko na ma-open itong si Quick Loan. So baka kailangan ko na rin mag-update ng aking app dito kay Union Bank. So try natin na pumunta ng Play Store yung Union Digital Bank. Okay, so ito kailangan natin siyang install. Click lang natin yung open. Register. Kailangan muna natin i-register. Click natin yung continue. Kailangan natin mag-enter ng password. Okay, so after nito guys, click lang natin yung continue. Okay, so magsasend sila ng one-time password sa mobile number na nilagay natin nung nag-register tayo. So, enable in-app OTP. So, enable natin yan. Okay. So, after nito, guys, kailangan ulit nila ng OTP. Click lang natin yung okay. Nila sa Union Digital Bank, ang tinatanggap lang nila is Philippine Passport, Driver's License, SSS, PRC-ID, Postal, Voters, PhilHealth, and PhilSys. Sa accounts, sige, click na natin yan. Terms and condition, then accept. Okay. So, dito guys, kailangan muna natin ilagay yung ating mga basic info. Then, save and continue lang tayo. After ko ma-fill up yung ating basic info, so dito naman kailangan yung nationality, place of birth, and then kung resident ka ba ng USA. Then, after mo ma-fill up, save and continue lang ulit. Next naman ay kung saan tayo nakatira. So, kailangan natin ilagay yung ating kumpletong address. Yan. So, after mo magawa yan, save and continue. Dito naman sa occupation, so, kailangan natin maglagay na employment, nature of work, name of employer kung meron, then province. Next naman ay yung account details. So, kailangan natin maglagay ng source of funds, account purpose, and estimate monthly transaction. Pagkatapos ito guys, click lang ulit yung save and continue. So, dito guys, kailangan na mag-verify ng identity. So, kailangan dito ay pipicturan ka at kailangan dipicturan yung ID mo. So, dito pipili tayo ng ating ID na gagamitin. Select ID tayo. Ang pipiliin ko is yung aking UMID. Enable camera. Then, while using the app. Next ay kailangan natin mag-selfie. Okay, so submit verification. And then, your account is being verified. This process may take up to 10 minutes. Ah, bilis lang pala.
24 hours later.
So, dito guys, nagko-confirm sila nung ID details. Kapag tama ay click nyo lang yung maliit na box. Or, ito na siya. And then, may note lang na your application is being processed. We will update you on your account opening status within 24 hours. So, hintayin pa natin siyang ma-update. Hindi pa siya verified. So, ito lang yung ano niya, detail. Ito lang yung meron siya. Add money, get money, send money, pay bills. So, update ko kayo guys.
24 hours later.
After so many hours guys, ganun pa rin siya. Vini-verify pa rin siya until now na nag-update ako dito kay Union Digital Bank. So, lagi nila sinasabi, once na ina-update ko yung ID ko at pinipicturean ko yung face ko, lagi nilang mag-antay tayo ng 24 hours. So, kung ako sa inyo guys, wag nyo nang i-install itong si Union Digital Bank kasi parang wala rin naman siya, hindi rin naman siya update at di rin siya na-approve agad. So, ayun lang. I hope na nakatulong itong video ko for today. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye!